While Bookwhen automates most bookings, there are times when you may need to add attendees manually. This is useful when helping customers who prefer offline support, correcting booking details, or transferring information from another system. Manual bookings are quick to create and give you flexibility when needed. Start by opening your public booking page. Choose the event, then select the required tickets. You can select multiple tickets if the customer is booking for a group. Once ready, select Book Now. Next, confirm who is responsible for the booking. You can search for an existing customer or enter a new customer's email. Data privacy note. Remember, the email address you enter here will receive the confirmation in all future notifications. Because Bookwhen groups these details, everyone on this specific booking will be able to see each other's contact info. To keep unrelated customers' data private, always create separate bookings. Select Continue, then complete the attendee information. Again, you can search for an existing customer, enter new information, or skip the attendee information. This is where you'll record essential details like emergency contacts or specific requirements. Select Continue to move to the payment step. Finally, review the payment details. You'll see the total for the booking. If the payment has already been received outside of Bookwhen, mark the booking as paid. Alternatively, leave it as unpaid if the payment will be collected separately. One of the biggest benefits of a manual booking is the extra flexibility it offers. As an admin, you can choose to waive the booking fee or allow for an offline payment, regardless of your public-facing settings, giving you total control over how you handle your specific customer relationships. Select Complete Booking to finish. Notifications are sent if emails are included, and the attendees will appear on your attendee list. Pro tip, if you're creating a test booking, remember that you're viewing the admin version of the form. To check the customer experience, log out or open the booking page in an incognito window. Manual bookings are your safety net for those human moments in business. Head to your schedule to try it out or visit our help center if you need a hand with more complex attendee management.